Earthlings. Humans have been abusing and treating animals as resources ever since, but not as the living beings that they are. Instead, we exploit them in factory farms, laboratories, wear their fur and skin and destroy their living habitats for our own benefits. Just because there's a lot of people still claiming animals don't have a conscience despite the obvious signs. What if there was a device proving them wrong? What if our digital future enabled animals to express their suffering and society listened? Imagine this, a world in which all Earthlings can coexist in a peaceful and respectful way, where animals aren't our resources but our companions. This is Bob. Bob lives in our visionary future. Thanks to a digital device which enables him to communicate with marine life, they can rebuild their natural habitats in a symbiotic way. Bob teaches the animals the dangers of eating plastic. In return, they help collect the trash and clean the oceans. This could be our future. #BeLikeBob. By the way, in the time you've watched this short clip, 160,000 animals have been slaughtered worldwide. Thanks for watching.